Okay, what do we got going on here? Fred, what are we doing?
We're gonna do I don't know, do you have the heat gun in left that you used to have?
Somewhere.
We need to test the output.
We're going to use our hand. What are you doing with that?
Job to figure out what
are you doing with that, Fred? What are you doing with that thing, Fred? What is that thing, Fred?
It is your power source.
That is a Vevor. Hi, that's a big one too.
This one probably had feet too and you didn't put them on.
I have a what?
This one probably had feet too, but you didn't put it on.
No, it didn't come with feet. I had to make feet. It has a hose on. Put the hose on it.
Which one?
Fred, I can't see what you're doing.
There's two underneath there.
Here, look out, Fred. What are you doing? You're getting too fancy. No, one's an inlet.
Right.
One's an outlet.
Right.
Remember I told you fuel hose right next to it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the, see how it's dirty on this one, it's clean on this one?
Really?
Yeah, here.
Captain Obvious?
So this is called the exhaust.
Why don't you run it out this hole here?
And this is called the intake, and this is called the fuel line.
So you don't want to run those into each other.
Everything is right next to each other, and it's nice and safe.
Can we turn this off for now while you answer the phone?
Yes, we can turn that off. Okay, Fred's working on video. Okay, we got the battery down here hooked up. We got the two posts. One's over there, one's over there, so they don't touch each other.
Turn it on.
You got exhaust pipe going on a paper box. That's perfect, Fred.
Well, I ain't done yet, am I?
You got this on the wrong side because it's on the hot side.
I this thing friggin' plugged in, man. Be careful.
Okay, that's good there. Okay, I like that. That's perfect.
And then where's this going?
It just lays on top of this power cord right here next to this power unit. I'm thinking this might not be the best way of doing this, Fred. Here, use this. You go on the inside. You got exhaust pipe issues. So we need to move some heads out of the way. That's the first problem. One of these heads are in the way. It's like you're trying to do work around here or something. It's cold.
Yeah, why aren't you working instead of farting around?
Okay, now I'm going to make this, going to move it sideways for it. There. You like that? Now it blows right up to the bottom of that. Turn it on.
No, it's in the middle to turn it on.
Oh, 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit, Fred. I like this one. It has the thermometer on. This one does not have that. Show me one of this one.
I bet it does. It just don't. We haven't read the instructions to figure out
what it's in. We don't have instructions. Fred, you didn't read the instructions. Still making heat. This one's making cold air.
It's slowing it. It's still putting out heat.
This one will shut off when it gets up to 70 or so, or 69. What's this one doing?
I just said I'd slow it down a little bit.
No, leave it wide open.
Why?
This one here is wide open. I want to see which one makes more heat. This one has a bigger hole, but a bigger hole doesn't make more heat. There's more airflow, not more heat.
Look, the units are exactly the same, Tatro.
No, I don't think so. This one goes from here all the way over to here. This one goes from here all the way over to here.
So this is a bigger element.
Maybe. They're close. We'll find out. That's why they're on. Takes a while. It takes a few minutes to get going, just like it took a little bit for this to get going. So at least the fumes won't go outside. So we'll be safe. Oh, there, it's making noises now. This one has a lot of fuel in it, it's this far up. So we got this fuel over here, and we got this fuel over here. It's right here, fuel level. This one, the fuel level is down there in the bottom of the corner. Here, this one, making noise.
Yeah, it sounds like a jet.
There, it's making stink too.
They're gonna make a call, be back in a minute.
Okay. It's making stink right now. They always make stink when they first start out. Yeah. Leave that door open a little bit. Yeah, right like that. That way the air goes through. See, I have this thing right here. It's called the actuator. Didn't like that. Suck the fumes out real quick though. That thing got a lot of suction up there. Okay, now we got two of these jet motors going. Okay, this one's making heat. This one's making heat. Ooh, that was hot. Air? Why is it on air already? I don't know why I went to air already. I think I broke it. Shouldn't be on the air code. No, it doesn't. That goes on air when you suck too much fuel out of the pipe. I know that. I'll have to reboot that one, see what happens. Now this one is a little bit smaller, which is nice, but this one doesn't have feet on it. It's got the exhaust pipe right on the table down here, see? Oop. There's a light. There we go, light. So it's right on your steel table, which is fine if you have a steel table, but if you have a wood floor or a rug, it would be a problem. Whereas this one here, the heat's when it's way up there, you can actually put this on a rug and it probably wouldn't catch on fire. I wouldn't put it on a rug anyway, I'd put it on something solid, but you know, you could probably have it on a piece of wood and it wouldn't catch the wood on fire, but I'd rather have a piece of metal there to stop the heat from going through. Okay, what's going on with this thing here? Oh, it's off. Keep the heat going on this one. Usually I do the reboot is I do this. Something like that. Alright, I'm going to wait until it comes back on and we'll be back. Alright, so we got both heaters going. Fred said it stinks in here. Fred wanted to know how much it cost. There you go. $236, $25, $200. That has a red handle, so I think it's different. This one's $181. That one's that's different. So yeah, somewhere between $30 and $236. I'm thinking this $29 one might not be the same deal going on.
$29 may have issues.
Might have issues. Now, Fred, which one of these puts out more heat? Fred, that's the exhaust pipe. The most heat comes right out of this hole right here.
Oh, this one.
Which one's hotter?
This one. Look, 6 inches.
That right?
4 inches.
That's it.
Yeah, you can go 4 inches there.
It's pretty hot too. It's hot. It's right there.
Toolbox is hotter.
Once your hand's burning already, then about 6 inches away, about 8 inches away.
Captain Obvious. That's hot. Well, it's hotter.
I think they're about equal on the heat output.
It is.
The pipe puts out a lot. Well, I don't know. This is pretty damn hot here. Oh, that burns the piss out of you there. It's about the volume though. This has a lot more airflow than this one.
The nice thing about it is instead of burning old motorcycle wheels,
that one, this one here, you're right in this area here, you're burning your hand. It gets, once your hand gets hot though, see, you're feeling it. So about a foot away on that one. Yeah, this one,
that's almost 20
about 18 inches away on this one. 18 about a foot. My hand's already burning, so I keep pulling away, it gets hotter and hotter on my hand. So I think they're about the same temperature, it's just that has a lot more air volume. So you're going to feel more heat with that one. They're both pretty good.
Some are DC though, that's the cool part. You can put them on a battery.
That one's DC, this one's DC, this one will do it, but this one also has an inverter to go to the AC. So this is more user-friendly for a house. If you're going to be in a vehicle, it's a lot easier to put a tall, skinny thing in a vehicle than a short, fat one. But this is nice, good grab handles on here, which are really nice. These are little small ones here. They both hold a little over a gallon of fluid in it. This one's supposed to be getting better fuel economy than that one, they claim, but that thing you run all day. So I haven't run this one yet to know how long it goes. But we put almost nothing in there for fluid. It's still running. It's been 45 minutes now over there, because 5:30 now instead of 4:20 or whatever it was. 5:30. Or 4:40 or something. But this puts out a lot more volume of heat. So even though it's the same temperature, there's more volume. So you're going to feel more. It's going to it's going to heat up the room quicker. So it's a bigger unit. Well, you know, if I took this and cut the damn hole out and made it bigger, you know, you got a 3-inch pipe and a 4-inch pipe. It's going to put more air out. But this one might. This has a bigger fan on it too, because it has more pressure with a bigger hole than this one has a small hole. So this has a bigger fan on it.
I think that's enough for
You like how I do that? It's a scientific testing.
It's getting boring.
Now, Fred, you're over here standing over here. What are you feeling?
I'm feeling warmer.
Are you feeling heat finally?
I feel that fan blowing cold air on me.
We'll pull the pliers off the fan. Pull the plier off.
Oh, you mean this thing here?
Yeah, just pull it off. That's all you gotta do. Okay, the fan goes off now. There might be issues with that fan.
What's a good old Navy fan?
Yes, it is a Navy fan. No, I bought those at DMRO.
DRMO.
Yeah. We're up to 60, just under 68 degrees now. We started at 62.
I can feel the heat now.
So the cold air over there is now being dissipated by hot air.
Yes.
You got two blowing on you though. Which one are you feeling?
I'm feeling this one. That one doesn't do that.
That's because you got a little volume of it. It does make it fumes in here though. So yeah, we're going to shut this one down because the fumigation's getting there. So see, this one has a thermometer, which I like. So it's set at 77 degrees and it's 80. So we're going to turn this down, back down to where I had it. And it's 73 degrees. We're hitting the off button. So that'll throttle down and stop the stink. This one just keeps on running because the stink goes outside the pipe. We'll have to evacuate the room in here a little bit for fumes, but...
I mean, my eyes are watering because of the...
Are your eyes watering?
No.
Is that why it looks kind of hazy in here?
It ain't as hazy as it was when you were burning freaking motorcycle.
Oh, that was smoking the whole shop out.
That was like... That was evil, man.
Yeah. They put out some heat though.
That was evil.
Turn that pot cherry
Black
red.
Smoke coming out the damn stack.
There you go.
Like a damn train going down a road.
Okay, we're going to let the fumes clear and we'll come back here in a little bit.